hackathon part. So of course, the website is hackathon.metis.io. You know that already. The tasks for the hackathon are very simple. It's either you build a new Ethereum dApp, or you port an existing Ethereum dApp that you already have on Ethereum or some other EVM chain. So for example, any EVM compatible chain, you can move your dApp to Metis and be part of this hackathon. It's very, very nice, it's easy. But the only thing, of course, it has to be deployed on our layer 2, and Pavel, that speaks right after me, will explain on how to do it. We have 6 tracks for this hackathon. So DeFi, popular Web 2, popular Web 3, gaming, digital art, NFT, and United Nations. You all can read, and also on hackathon.metis.io there are rules that you can click on, see the tracks. But just in short, for the DeFi, you build decentralized finance, application, tool, platform, infrastructure on Metis layer 2, and this will qualify for the DeFi track. Popular Web 2. So you create or you port anything existing popular Web 2 project like Uber, Airbnb, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, of course. It has to be your own, not the Facebook, but just build your own kind of like look-alike as without violating any of the rights of the Facebook or Twitter, for example, right? So we can answer questions about that, but yes, build popular Web 2 platforms on Metis layer 2. And for the Web 3, build popular Web 3 platforms. So if you are choosing to build any of the Aave, SushiSwap, Compound, OpenSea, so make sure that they're also open source. So you build the versions that are open source if you build a copy. But yes, so we, for example, we can bring, Aave, SushiSwap, Compound to judge if we know that you are building it for that track. So let us know that. Gaming. And gaming is easy. You build or port existing games to Metis layer 2. That's it. And digital art, NFT platforms, trading NFT platform, creating NFT platform are welcome to be created on Metis layer 2. If you're just thinking of creating just one NFT, this doesn't work. It has to be an app. And United Nations track, these are the 17 United Nations goals. The full list you can find on that link that I specified there. But basically, this is for the environment, for children, for diversity. So there are lots of United Nations goals, and we would like to include this track into our hackathon to reward people who are building application that's solving those problems. We put aside $1 million for the prizes, and we separated them into cash prizes and also a builder mining program, which I'm going to cover in, again, a few seconds. So for all our tracks, we deliver 2 prizes, $25,000 as the first place and second place, $15,000. But both winners will be invited into the builder mining program. And by the way, everyone can actually apply for the builder mining program as you're submitting your hack. So what is the builder mining program? How does it work? So for that, to be participant in this program, of course, you have to build or deploy your dApp to Metis layer 2. You have to submit and select builder mining. When you submit in your hackathon on DevPost, you have this the drop down if you are selecting a builder mining. Then we'll look at your project and we approve it. Of course, for the winners of the tracks, it will be easy to be approved. For everyone else, we have to, of course, go through the selection. And then you will need to stake Metis tokens and then mine Metis tokens. So basically, you're going to be earning from every transaction on Metis proportionally to your stake, your project transactions, and number of wallets that you have connected to your app. So we created this program to actually not only to help our startups, our projects, hackathon projects to get funded, but as well to have a load test on our system, and that's what we're paying for. So and we it's kind of win-win. So we're paying you for testing our network. Our hackathon partners. So we are adding new partners every day. So far, we have that many, but we will keep adding new partners, new prizes to the hackathon, because hackathon is planned to go on a span of over 2 months. So we're adding new partners every day, and we're going to be bringing them to speak to you every Tuesday. We're going to be sending the notifications. If you signed up, if you registered on hackathon.metis.io, so you will receive an email. If you registered on DevPost, you also receive a notification from the DevPost about the future, talks and prizes. But these are the partners that we have so far. And we also, if you go and look at the hackathon.metis.io prizes or at metisethereum.devpost.com, you will see additional prizes additional to our hackathon main prizes. So yeah, so far we have a CryptoChicks Hatchery award that is going to be, again, so CryptoChicks Hatchery is going to choose who to award. Forever Land Deployment Awards, Charity Bug Bounty prizes, Bagels bonus prize, and also CryptoPunk Award for the best female that is in the hackathon. So please read the rules for these prizes. They are described on metis/ethereum.devpost.com and also in the main rules for the hackathon.metis.io prizes. So look them up. And rules. So these are the kind of like condensed rules. The full rules, again, we have on the website. On the post website and on Hackathon website for Metis Hackathon as well. But you have to select only one track to submit your hack. So one hack per track, one track per hack. Of course, you have to build on Metis Layer 2, so then your application has to be up and running on Metis Layer 2. You can select any amount of the partner prizes, but please select only applicable ones, because if you see that you're selecting everything, then maybe your hack will be dismissed, because we will not take you seriously if you just submit into everything. Just thoughtfully select which partner prizes you're applying for. Also, the builder mining is, again, you can select as an option and also be chosen and be recorded, and later on post the hackathon in the transactions that you make on the Metis Layer 2. And you also have to create a demo video. It can be just, your slides, slideshow, demo of your application. Demo of your application, of course, would be swell. Try to keep it short, because again, we have lots of submissions, and we would like to keep our, judges not as busy. So please, up to 3 minutes. If you have a longer video, they probably will not even watch it. So 3 minutes. Access to the code. Yes, you have to give us access to the code. If in question, please ask in Discord. So we're probably going to be releasing also the news on how to do it, like how to streamline that. And you have to submit, of course, your hack on the DevPost, which is metis-ethereum.devpost.com. And judging criteria. Of course, your hack has to match one of the tracks, but we would like it to be unique and original. Also to have a value proposition to be super useful for the crypto world. And it has to solve some problems. And you, in your video, please state which problems it solves so we can understand. It has to be sustainable and economically thriving. It means that it has to have a business model. It has to be clean and working without major bugs. We can give you, some minor bugs, but the major bugs we would like to be cleaned up before you submit. So vision and a team, of course, we would prefer to have teams with a big vision that would continue working on their app post hackathon as well. So that is going to be judged too. And of course, if your app is have some social impact, this is a great advantage as well. So the dates, today is the opening. Submissions are accepted actually from today up until November 30th at 11 p.m. Eastern time. It's in the rules. Workshops, we're going to be doing workshops on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. UTC, so which is 12 p.m. Eastern time. So that is up to you to attend, but we certainly recommend it because we're going to be inviting partner who are giving the additional prizes. So for that, please attend. Of course, we're going to be recording them, but like with the recording, who watches the recording? You never watch recording. So if you attend live, it would be much, much useful, and you can ask the questions as well. Judging is going to be from December 1st, December 15th, and award ceremony on December 18th, right before the Christmas. We would like you to, for the winners, to be prepared actually to speak live. If you can't, of course, we'll just play your video for the submission. Our hackathon communication, again, through Discord and metis.io. So please, if you haven't registered to the hackathon yet, go to hackathon.metis.io and register. And also show yourself, introduce yourself on the Discord, each project that we can communicate, and then you can communicate inside the Discord. So please ping our admin, David, in the Discord to create a team channel for your team and then you can actually have a separate channel for your team in there in the Discord. We already had lots of live streams, lots of information that went about Metis. And of course, we collected all the questions that were received during this live stream. So if you would like to, we have lots of questions about Metis, maybe you can find some already in this archive, qaa.metis.io. Just go through the questions. They are ordered by the day, so you see the questions as we develop with the questions that were received and answered. And for any questions now, please use Discord and Telegram. These are the two links. If you have any questions already right now, please start answering them. Our team will relay them here and we will answer them right after Pavel will speak about how to deploy on Metis. So please start asking the questions if you have questions. But without further ado, we're moving on how to build, deploy on Metis Layer 2 for the hackathon.